Hey guys, it's Cassie and Merry Christmas. I hope that you're having a wonderful day today. If you celebrate, if you don't celebrate, happy Saturday. I'm going to be showing you all the things that I got for Christmas. As usual, and this goes without saying, I'm always so grateful. These are gifts from my parents. There's also like a gift that I didn't know whether or not to include because it's not necessarily luxury, but it's like tech from my boyfriend. I'll throw it in anyway. And then also stuff that I bought myself, okay? Because I'm sorry. Who says that you can only receive gifts from other people? Okay, to me, from me, we had a great time. So I'm going to be going through all of those. If these are available, I will have links below with sizing and all of that. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie and I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. So if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably going to love it here. So head down and subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's go. Okay, all right, where to begin? If you follow me on, I'm going to start off with two things that if you follow me on Instagram, you probably would have already seen because I may or may not have opened them and used them just once, just one time before Christmas, but it's fine, it doesn't count. So, the first thing is a Benedetta Brusices, I don't know if that's the correct pronunciation, the Viti Le Mignon, I think, bag? I have no idea, but she's a sparkly, sparkly goddess and we love her, don't we? These come in a range of colours, and this one really intrigued me because it's almost like, oh, it's coming across fantastically on camera if I do say so myself, but it's like a bronzy, it's so super sparkly. This is like an it girl bag. This is Paris Hilton's 21st birthday bag, if you get the vibe, if you know the vibe I'm talking about. So she is satin lined, you've got a little zip here, open her up. Got her stuffing in there. Do you want to know what like a cute little thing that they do? It comes with this comb that says you are beautiful. Benedetta Brusices. Love that. It's such a great like cute party bag, of course. But I also love this if you were literally wearing, just give me a monochrome look. Give me an all white and all black something. And you're just like, yeah, I'm just going shopping on a Saturday. Okay? Then why the hell not? You know? Give us a sparkle. Give us a little bit of light in our lives. I love it. Okay? So that is that. The other thing that, again, you would have seen if you follow me on Instagram are, and I spoke about these in my What I Want for Christmas, Paris, Texas, rainbow fish boots. If you know the rainbow fish, like it's like a children's book, the rainbow fish is this. These are its scales. I've murdered the rainbow fish. It's fine, it's fictional. These are these slouchy boots. They come in loads of different colours, but I saw this iridescent, sort of python-y looking situation and fell in love. She is the attention seeker of the look, all right? And she deserves spotlight on her, all of that. So again, it's such an easy way to zhuzh up a very simple but fabulous look. Like, give me like a blazer dress moment with her. Give me like a very tailored blazer trouser moment. Bam! Killing it. Okay? Love it. I got this Mugler bodysuit, which doesn't look like much. I'm going to insert a picture on the model because you get a better idea of what this actually looks like. But it's from the new collection. It's kind of got these mesh sort of panels that go like this down the front. Wonderful demonstration, Cassie. Everybody knows what you're on about. And it's the same on the back. Now, if you are interested in this, it's like very futuristic looking. Where's that little Mugler? Look, it's got this great little sort of Mugler. It's giving me very sort of like fights crime in the future vibes, and I love it. Now, if you're interested in, I got this in a size 38. If you're interested in buying this, I would say two things to look out for. Number one, I believe it does come with a thong butt and also a full butt. I believe both exist. The other thing is that there are two different kinds of mesh. So this mesh is, you see what I mean? It's just black and straight to the skin. And this one I think is for light to medium skin tones, and they do have one for medium to dark skin tones as well. I believe, that's what I kind of gathered from the website. So you do have those options, and I'm very excited to look like sort of Lara Croft of the future with that. Let's do a bit of this. Celine vanity case. Look at her. She is absolutely fabulous. If you've been with me on my quest to find a vanity case that's not the Louis Vuitton Nice BB, Then I briefly looked at the Goyard and then it was extortionately priced. And here we are. Oh, the perfume sample. I'll have it, thank you. So this is an amazing, I mean, look at that. It's even got a little, look at that, fabulous. Good evening. Say hello to yourselves. Mirror in the top there. It's all covered in its plastic and whatnot. But I think this is a fantastic alternative to the Louis Vuitton. You've got a little elastic pouch. Oh, what's that? What's this? Okay. It's the square vanity case. It's in the colour tan. The inside is like a canvas situation. So that might be annoying to some people because you might want it to be wiped clean or something like that. I'm not particularly bothered. This is a very decent size. I think it looks great. It's a little bit of an off the beaten path. I think this is very new actually from Celine. And I'm so excited to transfer all my makeup goodies into you. Oh, get ready for your first day on the job. I'm leaving a very big thing to the end. So stick with me. Oh, look at this. Look at this. So Frame, the denim company, did a collaboration with the Ritz Paris. And this is this incredible, thick, the thickest cashmere I think I've ever touched. This is so like plush and warm. And obviously you've then got the massive Ritz Paris logo on the front of it. Here's this Ritz merch. Yes. Do I love every second of it? Yeah. I don't know what it is, but this is fabulous. I'm so excited to wear this just very casually with jeans, with a skirt, oh, with everything. She's just going to work and going to be so cozy. This is from the White Company, and I believe this is alpaca. Are you alpaca? Yes, so soft. Feels very close to cashmere. Like, if nobody had said anything, I would think it was cashmere. And it's just a fabulous grey turtleneck sweater, but you've got these kinds of detailings on the shoulder that give it a little bit of zhuzh, a little bit of something different. I don't know if you can, like, see. Can you see it? It almost looks like the things are folded, the arms are folded inside shoulder there. You know what I mean, Anyway, so again, that's going to look for, oh, I'm just covered in alpaca hair now. Celine, if you've been with me for a while, I've been talking about this perfume. It smells so good, and if I can get this box open, I can show you. Here we have its fabulous box, and I think this is, yeah, okay, this is the only way to open it. Oh, undress for me. Whoa, oh my gosh, that's huge. That is so big. How many milliliters is this? Geez, 200. That's massive. And glorious. I'm obsessed with this smell so sodding much. I don't want to ruin my costume jewellery. Oh, give us a bit. Douse me in it. Bathe me in this, please. Oh, yes. She just looks... She's giving me Gatsby. She's giving me Gatsby, and we all know Gatsby was an icon, so there we go. I'm going to show you the tech thing, then I'm going to show you the final two. It's the final countdown. I asked my boyfriend for this, and I'm very excited to use it. I think this is the Remarkable, right? I don't know if you've heard of this. It's a paper tablet. It is not an iPad. It's an iPad that you can do less on. I know that sounds weird, but it's meant for like focusing. And I write a lot in notebooks and everything. I have my diaries and agendas, and those I need to have in paper. But when I'm planning videos and stuff like that, I literally fill so many notebooks that just are sitting there and collecting space. So I'm now going to be transferring everything over to my Remarkable, and I'm so excited to set it up. So it's the Remarkable. It has a case, so this is actually more of an accurate size of how big it is. And then it has its fancy little pen, and I'm so excited. I love stuff like that. Did you honestly think I could not? My silent scream. These are the Versace Avitas Sodding Brat's Heels in the... What colour are they calling this? It's a lilac. It's a sodding lilac, okay? They are... Do you want to know what? There's something truly comical about these shoes, but in like such a fun fashion way, all right? They are massive. You don't understand the size of these. They are absolutely huge. You have got this glorious crystal anklet with, look at it, it's the dangly Medusa head. What more do you want from life? I also love the fact that the dangly Medusa is only on one of these. These are heavy, okay? These are heavy. I got these in a size 39. I've heard a lot of people say go half a size up, and I understand why. This bit is like hard, right? And it's satin. It's not really going to open up. So I get why you would go half a size up. I personally am very happy with mine, but keep that in mind if you do want to. These are sodding heavy duty. All right, you could sod in. If you threw this, that's a concussion. That's a concussion in the head. Absolutely glorious. I love these. They make you look like a Bratz doll. I don't know what else I can say, but in the best way possible. I love these. These are very fashiony. These are very trendy, but I also think that they're iconic and fun and fabulous, and they make me feel ethereal, as fashion should. You know, that's all we really want from our things. And finally, this is my Fendi First. I love it so much. I am well and truly obsessed. This is the Fendi First in the medium size. It is in the flannel with the FF calligraphy all over it. The hardware is gold. It's all covered in like a sticker at the moment actually, so I need to take it off. It is absolutely glorious, okay? I fully intend on doing a review of this bag like after a few months of using it. Glorious leather lining. This, it's just made so well, okay? So obviously, as a clutch, she's around town. She's under the pit. She's doing her job. She's looking fly doing it, okay? But then, if we pop her open, I love this aspect as well. You've got these little hooks on the inside. Just hear that. Just hear how beautiful this is. It sounds opulent, okay? Then we have the thicker strap. Stop, okay? She means sodding business, all right? Oh, it's just glorious and interesting and chic, and I don't know. It just makes me feel like I've got my life together, even though everything's a shambles, you know? So I love that. There you go. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed my What I Got for Christmas. Let me know what your favourite piece was that I got. That'll be fun to see. I'm going to leave a link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have the best, healthiest, most successful, most magical year ahead of you. I love you. And in the words of my father,
and remember, friends, if you've enjoyed it, tell your friends. If you haven't, keep your mouth shut. Have a great holiday.
I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.